Hello, today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to create modules in D2L Brightspace. So first thing you need to do is you need to click on your course and launch it. After you do that, you're going to go ahead to the nav bar and you're going to find content. After you click on that, it'll take you to this page. Now, when you first open it up, it might not have anything in here, but if you scroll down, you'll see this part that says add a module. Go ahead and click there. Once you click there, you can go ahead and add a module by adding a name. So in this case, I'll continue on and say week 3. So after I click off to the side here, you can see I have week 1, week 2, week 3, and I could continue on if I wanted to. If you look at this button right here, if you click here, you can actually rearrange them as well. So you can see I just moved week 3 up. But I want it to go in sequential order, so I'll move that right back down. And that's how you create new modules. If you made a mistake, you can always click on your week that you want to fix. And let's say you didn't want that week there anymore, or you didn't want that module. You can go ahead and make a couple of edits, or you could go ahead and delete the module. For now, let's just show you what that looks like. So as you can see, I deleted that module. Week 1 is no longer there. Let's say that I actually did need that. So I go ahead and click it again. I move it. And we're back in order. And that is how you create modules in D2L Brightspace.